Straw cartoning machine is suitable for automatic cartoning of straws, straw pouches, and other products. The machine adopts PLC, frequency converter, encoder, photoelectric sensor, proximity switch control, touch screen display, advanced performance, high efficiency and good stability. The machine is equipped with a multiple detection and rejection system. The instructions, staws, and paper boxes are all tested by sensors, and the batch numbers are printed and sealed before output. During the inspection process, waste products, no straws are found at the exit to ensure that the product quality fully meets the qualified requirements. The machine can form a straw production and packaging linkage line with inkjet printer, labeling machine and other machines, and can be customized according to customer requirements. Manual feeding, automatic sorting and feeding, and other straw cartoning machines. Welcome to call for consultation.